Woo! It's your boy, James Riley, Backflip Boys, Tucker, Special Edition, Hybrid 12-inch rinse bar, WCR style, baby. Nothing better than this bad boy right here. Let me look at that, man. Look how that glass is just sheeting off, man. Tucker's awesome, dude. Look at that. That's just amazing. Bear with me, I'm trying to do this all one-handed. These windows are kind of bad. I'm having to go around with a little bit of a scraper just to get some paint spots off. They had it whatever, but I really just wanted to show you guys, you know, how this bad boy works. I mean, look at that. See if we can get like kind of up under there. And it just like shoots the glass off. Just nice rinse. Perfect for hydrophobic. Let's turn this bad boy off for a minute so we can talk a little more about it. So this is the aluminum rinse bar, which at first I had some problems with, but I actually like it now. I don't have a DA component on here because this is a hybrid brush, so I don't use this on like anything that's crazy dirty, you know. And then, you know, you still got your setup for these duals right here, pencil jets, inlet to that gooseneck. This is really cool. I'm not sure if you can see that, but you just like tighten and loosen that. So now it wiggles just like a squeegee, man. And then you can tighten it. I usually just tighten it unless I know I'm going to be in some tricky situations. Then I'll change it. Anyways, take it easy, guys. Bye. What up, dudes? My zero pull's seen some better days. We got this a little bit of electrical tape wrapped so my end cap will stay on a little bit better. And then we always put this little headpiece on to protect the threads whenever we throw it back in the truck, because my life's a mess.